What's up, YouTube? It's your boy Justin back again with another Big Dog Breaks. Today we're doing another one of the championship collections. It's a basketball repack by the MJ Holding Company. We pulled a Luka Dragic out of it the other day, and we're gonna try to do it again. So, see what we got today. Here we go. This is a Walmart repack. It's getting harder and harder to find. It comes with 2 memorabilias, 3 fat packs, and 6 factory seal packs. Alright, we have a Jamal McGlure. I think he played on the Pelicans for a while. Or the Hornets, actually. And a Drew Gooden, both patches. So this comes with 2 patches, or memorabilia cards. And today we have the Optics. Which year is this? I don't even know the year of this one. That one. We have the 2018-2019 Optic Donruss. Does have Kobe's. I think they also have Luka's in them. We have Basketball Collector's Choice, 97-98, 3 packs of those. We have Panini Threads, 16-17, that's the fat pack. We have 15-16 Donruss. And we have Complete, 35 cards. I've never seen this one before. So we're gonna start like this. All right, here we go. I'll start with the 97-98 Collector's Choice. Last one we had, all the cards were stuck together. Hopefully it's not the same with this. Go. So it looks like they're kind of stuck together again. Gonna try to do this as best as we can. Eldridge. Here we go. We got the checklist. Now I believe this has Michael Jordan's in it. NBA game. I guess that's an NBA game night 2, 97 with the Warriors. Try to take these apart very delicately and not ruin them. We have Mutombo. Excuse me, Mutombo. Looks like we got either an insert card or Star Attractions. It's a pretty cool card for 98. Barbos. Khalil Reeves. These are hard to read the players' names. They're so small on there. Tim Hammonds. And sorry I'm holding the cards like these. They're stuck together. Trying to be very delicate with them. Sherman Douglas. Oh, Jamal Mashburn. Remember him. I'd hate to start ripping them apart, and it's a Michael Jordan card. I think Kobe's in this back too. Here we go, Michael Jordan, nice. Playing golf. Any Michael Jordan cards are cool. Put that one to the side. I have a few of him playing baseball. I mean, that guy played every sport. Grant. And if you've seen our other video, I was literally tearing these, had to tear the cards apart. These are a lot better. They're still sticking together, but they're a lot better. That was Karl Malone. Roy Rogers. A little Coke and cherry juice. Here we go. Second pack. Alright, we got another one of the sweepstakes in there. David Wesley. Got another NBA game night. Those are kind of stuck together too. Mavericks and Nuggets. Oh, here we go. This looks like Michael Jordan right here. NBA Finals 97. Put that on the side. That's just cool. It's probably not worth anything, but it's still a cool card. Oh, what we have here? A Star Attraction Scottie Pippen. I like that. I like that a lot. It's a cool card. Ed O'Bannon. Oh, here we go. Here's the man himself that we're looking for. Let's be really delicate with that. Michael Jordan. Nice. It's just cool you can get these cards still to this day. I mean, I'm sure they're not worth much, but it's cool to have a Michael Jordan card. Penny sleeve that one up. We got Dennis Rodman right here. And I grew up watching these players, so it was really cool to get their cards because I never collected them as a kid. I collected baseball, every other sport, but not really too much basketball. All right, more Michael Jordan stuff. This one's stuck together. Guess these have just been sitting for so long. Nice to get like to get a Charles Barkley card. See him on TV all the time. Bullets. I think they're the Wizards now. All right, last pack of these 97, 98. Got another one of these sweepstakes. Oh, on the back, we got a Star Attraction. Grant Hill. Man, Grant Hill. That over here. Just a lot of cool stuff in these packs. Blast from the past. Steve Nash. Oh man, look how young he looks. Not a rookie, but close. One off. Man, he looks young. Put that to the side. Second year, I believe. Terry Porter. Jermaine O'Neal. Rudolph Childress. Oh man, the Darius Sprewell choking out his coach. He had a lot of potential. If he didn't get in trouble, he would have been a great player. Kevin Willis. Tyrone Hill. Look at this, a young Kevin Garnett. But this is a Sam Mitchell card, but that's a young Kevin Garnett in there. Gilliam. P.J. Brown. Eddie Jones. And I apologize, I'd be going a lot faster, but these cards are a little stuck together. And don't forget, if you like the videos, please send us a like and subscribe so you can get updates on our new videos. We come out with content daily. And we also will have live breaks in the future. We're going to have a 2019-2020 Contenders football that we're going to be doing, selling spots for that. I believe it's going to be $7 a spot. Look out for that. All right, we got the Optic 2018-2019 Donruss Optic. Let's get us a Luka. Terrence Ross. And these are some nice cards, I have to say. Gordon Hayward. Got Carl Anthony Towns. And Omari Spellman. All right. 2018-2019 Donruss Optic again. It's kind of cool getting these packs. It's kind of worth just getting this box. It's $20. It's kind of worth getting it just for those packs. Kevin Love. We have a Russell Westbrook. Come on, Luka. We have a James Harden. And a Chris Dunn. All right, so no Luka, but it's all right. We got this one, 4 trading cards. I can't find a year on this. Leave a comment below if you know a year. Oh, it says 2018, so I guess this is 2018. Dwayne Wade. That's a cool card. This might be in that pack. Court Kings, Blake Griffin. We have a rookie, Akumbi. And a Tyler Lydon. All right. So on to the next pack. We have complete 35 cards by Panini. I've never seen these before. These will be interesting. Move these on the side. NBA Dunk. All right, so here we go with these. Gary McGrath, Dwayne Wade. These kind of look a little cheap. They don't really look too great. Draymond Green. Paul George. Goran Dragic. Kemba Walker. What year is this? This is a 15-16. Might be a rookie Kemba. Nope. Victor Oladipo. Rodney Stuckey. Michael Kidd-Gilchrist. Russell Wilson. Myers Leonard. Cole Aldridge. Mason Plumlee. Steven Adams. Young Steven Adams there. Luol Deng. Klay Thompson. Jared Jack. Brandon Ashley. Oh, nice. A rookie Porzingis. Gonna penny slot him. Even though these aren't the nicest cards, still a rookie card. I like to put all the rookies in penny sleeves, or at least the big names. Nice. Joe Young. Kevin Looney. Oh, nice. Justice Winslow. Pretty good player there. I liked him at Duke. All right, we have Walter Tavers. Jahlil Okafor, rookie. He didn't turn out to be nothing. We'll just put him to the side, though. Guess we can put all the rookies to the side. Dion Waiters. Greg Monroe. I actually saw him play in high school. He came to my high school and played. We had a guy named Greg Monroe, and we made signs of him. It's pretty funny. Felipe Lopez. Yeah, Greg Monroe. He had a lot of talent. Enes Kanter. Winslow Chandler. Shane Whittington. Batum. Gerald Henderson. Marcus All. Dawson. That's a rookie card. Braylon Dawson. And Jonathan Simmons. Rookie card also. So, not the nicest cards, but it's pretty cool. We got some good rookies in there. Alright, on to the next one. 2 more packs. We have the 15-16 Donruss from Panini. Jordan Hill. Cole somebody. Harris. Randy Foyt. These don't look too bad. They're not like the optics, but they're not horrible. Manu Ginobili. Wilson Chandler. David Robinson. Rick Barry. Bobby Portis. That's a rookie. Put him over there. Christmas. Anthony Brown. Rookie. Never heard of. And this guy. All right. So, last pack. No Lucas or anything like the last one, but still pretty cool to open, I have to say. Only 20 bucks. It's kind of, I think it's kind of worth it. Looking for orange parallels in this. I like getting old school stuff. Just the Michael Jordans alone was worth it to me. Oh, look at that. Young Greek Freak. Not his rookie card, but that would have been awesome. That would have been incredible. There we go. Devin Booker. Ron Baker. Eric Bledsoe. Oh, look at this. Hardaway. Anthony Hardaway. That's a pretty card there. Let's say, I wonder if it's numbered. That's a cool card. I like Hardaway. Coach of Memphis now. He was awesome. Him and Shaq, they could have done some great things. All right. Oh, look at this card, man. Look at this. Not the greatest player, but it's like wood. That's cool. Man, if that was a great rookie, the card would probably be worth some money. Chris Paul, floor general. Rudy Gobert. Kevin Love. Greg Monroe. Greg Monroe again. Joel Embiid. Will Harton. And Derrick Rose. So that does it for our championship collection from Walmart repack box. We got a few cool cards out of it. I'll go recap it real quick. Got this one. Got Anthony. Got a Hardaway. Justice Winslow rookie. Porzingis rookie. Got an old Steve Nash. That's just cool. Grant Hill insert. Couple of Michael Jordans. Scottie Pippen insert. And another Michael Jordan playing golf. So, pretty cool. Nothing too special, but still pretty cool. If you liked the video, leave a like button, subscribe down below, and also look out for our new box breaks that we'll have coming in the future. Thanks, y'all. Have a great night.